Hi there, this is Andrea Mowry of Drea Renee Knits, and today I just wanted to demonstrate make one right and make one left increases. I am going to demonstrate English style first, holding the yarn in my right hand, and then I will do it one more time, holding the yarn in my left hand for continental style. So let's get started. I am going to knit my 2 edge stitches, and then I'm ready for my right leaning increase. So for a make one, what we're doing is we're picking up this bar that runs between the stitch we've just worked and the stitch we're about to work. So I like to use my left needle tip, and for a make one right, I go from back to front. So my needle tip is being inserted through the back of that bar, poking out the front and lifting up, and then I knit through the front. So back to front, knit through the front, and you can see that that is leaning to the right. And you can actually check this increase when you've lifted up your bar, if you're trying to remember, wait, which way do I pick it up? Do I go from the back or do I go from the front? Just doing that motion will show you if it's leaning right or left. So when I insert my needle tip from back to front, it's actually leaning to the right, where if I insert my needle tip from front to back, do you see how now it's leaning to the left? So that's a really quick visual way to check to make sure you have inserted your needle correctly for this increase so that it's leaning in the correct direction. So let's try that make one right again. So from back to front, I'm lifting up that bar, and now I'm going to knit through the front. And I'm going to knit to my last 2 stitches, and then I will do a make one left. All right, here we are. So again, I'm going to be picking up this bar that's running between the stitch I just knit and the next stitch to be worked. And for a left leaning, I am going to go from front to back. So inserting my needle through the front, so it pokes out the back, and then I knit it through the back. So front to back, knit through the back. And again, you can see how that little guy right there is leaning to the left. And now I can knit my last 2 stitches. And there we go. You can see how I've been increasing to the right over here, to the left over here. So let's show this again, continental style. I just need to work across the back of my swatch quickly. Da, 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 do, do, da, 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 da. This is when I should learn how to speed things up. Da, 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 ba, ba, da, da, da. All right, almost there. Here we go. Back to the front of my work here. Okay, so I'm going to knit those first 2 stitches. And for a make one right, we insert our needle from the back and poke it through the front, and then we knit through the front. And again, you can see it's leaning to the right already. There we go. So you can see that new little baby stitch leaning to the right. And now let's go ahead and work to the end here, 2 stitches from the edge, and we'll do a make one left. All right, so for a make one left, we insert our needle front to back. It's leading to the left, and we knit through the back. There we go. So that's it. I hope that you found this helpful and that you give these little increases a try. Happy knitting.